Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix cursor is blinking and showing the red circle that your cursor is slow. There is a simple way to fix this. So let's fix the problem. First of all, right click your start button and here you can see the run option, or you can just search your run here, and after that just open the app run application, and here you have to type msconfig. This is the type. You have to type this msconfig and just click OK. And after that you can see five option here: general, boot, service, setup, tools. But you have to click the general option, and to fix the problem all you have to do is select this normal setup, and after selecting it just click apply and click OK. And if you don't see the apply button here, after selecting the normal setup, just select the diagnostic center and diagnostic setup, and then select the normal setup again. You will see the apply button and then click OK. And after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.